full holiday clean and reset. I've already done like a deep clean of the entryway, the living room, and the kitchen. So the last place that I need to deep clean is down here in the den because we got some new furniture, moved some things around. So I just need to tidy up in those other spaces and add my little sprinkles of holiday magic around the house. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into the clean and reset so we can get the house all cozy and festive for the holiday season. Alright, y'all, there's this random sploosh on the wall. Yep, sink. Good job. Yay! Good job. Yeah, I don't know where this came from. Just gonna do a few things down here to go with the decor. So I have some candle holders, our family stockings. Oops. Our family stockings that I didn't get to use yet. Oh, this holiday sign. Some more little signs to put up around and other little just decorative pieces. I also went to the top shelf. We got some things for the kitchen, so kitchen towels, because they already had their stuff on sale. Some candles, but you know it's not clean until you have a candle. So I am going to actually be doing a candle haul later on during Vlogmas, so make sure you tune in for that. Let's go ahead and get to decorating. This space is all clean and decorated, looking good and looking lived in. Okay, I Put a little sign on this table. This couch is not usually here, but we're trying to sell it. But now it's comfy, cozy. We can come in, sit down, enjoy our space. That is Ellery's corner. And these stockings hanging up here look like a rapper's name. Any her. So I tidied up in the kitchen earlier today, or cleaned up, and I already did the deep clean. So I'm just gonna tidy up again because this little munchkin, and then add the little bit of decorations that I have for the kitchen. All right, y'all, that is my holiday clean and reset. Everything looks so good, feels so comfy and cozy. It's just something about having a clean house. Now I can really get into the holiday seasons and vibes and spend some time editing those Vlogmas videos in a clean, cozy, festive space. Thank you so much for joining me for Vlogmas Day 6. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 8. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.
Bye.